One of the things that you can do inside of Microsoft Teams is conduct out surveys as well. So to do that, you can go around and then you can go and press the plus button right here. So once you go around over here, then you can simply go around and type in survey. And here you can see that forms is an option. So if I were to go around and click on forms now, you can see that the forms plugin right here, that is an add-on, can be added over here onto the team channel. So I'm just going to go around and say test right here, just like this, and click on save right here. And you can see that what I can do is create a form out now once I do that. So over here, you can see that a form is loading right here. So here, there's questions and there's responses that will be collected right here. So you can go around and choose the type of question you want, just like this. And then you can add in multiple, let's say, for example, forms right here. And then what happens is that the other people will be able to actually see this. So they'll be able to go around and then access this from the tab right here. You can also share out this link right here, and then all of the responses will be collected out right here in this section. So that is how you can collect surveys inside of Microsoft Teams from a channel. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.